Holy shit! What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Virgins, and this is my broken camera. The reason that I am not filming right now is Buddy Wyrick, the amazing, talented cinematographer and editor.
Right here.
There he is right there, is filming for me. We're taking this camera to Sammy's camera. It wasn't working very well before, and then after the crash...
Hey, can we not film this, guy?
Every time I turn it on, it says camera error, please turn off. So I want to fix this because it's such a good camera and the capability is insane. Another thing we got to do today, the 600Lt. Buddy has never been, you've never been in the modified 600Lt,
No,
and I'm telling you, it's wild, dude. And then I got a new LaFerrari, so, you know, my new hypercar for the channel. I've actually had this for a long time. I know a lot of you have probably seen it in the background. I got 4 of these electric cars, had some crazy plans with it, never ended up doing it, but I finally figured out what I want to do. So stay tuned for this. Now, the Mercedes, the battery's dead. I don't really know what happened. I didn't leave the lights on. I didn't leave the doors open. It was running a little bit rough, but now the car won't turn on whatsoever. So I think we're gonna jump it with, you know, probably one of the most capable jumping vehicles.
Well, you'd be surprised. A lot of battery issues with that car for
Really?
a long time. Yeah.
Well, maybe we don't try.
So, I don't know. We'll see what happens.
Well, it looks cool. It will look cool jumping my car. And then hopefully we can drop this off, get it fixed, and scare the crap out of Buddy.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. I have kids. All right, so you know what you're doing, right?
No, I made it up. Is that right? No, yes, I do know what I'm doing. I have jumped a car before. So one thing I'm trying is, this is normally the place you're supposed to connect the positive terminal, but just in case this like extra part, as well as the ground over here isn't working right, we went direct to the battery.
I've never seen this before.
Yeah, pretty easy, huh? And then it's got a ground bolt, I assume, this one here.
Yeah. There we go.
There we go. Power!
Yes.
Let's go. All right, come on. Come on, AMG. Nothing.
No.
You know what I'm thinking? Let me check right now. I'm pretty sure all my OBD2 scanners power off with the ignition, but oh no, I don't even have one attached. I was like, I can't think of anything that would kill the battery other than that.
Lights are on. It's on.
Okay.
It's on.
All right, there we go.
There we go. It's on.
Well, it's not on, but
The electronics are on.
the electronics are on. So how can we turn them on?
Okay, give it a go.
Please. It's pulsing. Nothing.
Nothing.
One click and then blackness.
All right, so let's give it one more shot.
One more
One more shot. One more shot.
Buddy's
This
so
is it.
positive. This is why he's my friend.
This is it. Okay, we're done with the Mercedes.
We're done with this. I think,
guys, the E63 has had a good run.
it's done. No, I think I'm gonna AAA it to VF, have them take a look at it. Obviously, want to flash it back to stock, take out the radar detector. I love this car so much. I can't believe I'm literally saying goodbye in like 12 days. Saying goodbye to cars is the worst.
No, I think you're saying goodbye to it today.
No, buddy, no.
I think you're saying goodbye to
if
it
you're
today.
a car person, like saying goodbye to your child is like it's stressful. I actually cried with the Huracan, believe it or not. This there's some awesome memories. All right, time to scare Buddy in the McLaren.
It's intense, Parker.
Yeah, you know, just leaving during every school that's exiting at one time.
Yeah. Really,
You'll see.
Really intense driving experience.
You'll see.
Enjoying this. Enjoying this greatly. Oh my god! Holy shit! Wow! Wow! Oh my god!
It's not slow.
What?
It's actually
has
so
happened?
violent.
I think I might have pee-peed myself.
What's happened is the car is amazing. It already was amazing, and now it's freaking incredible.
Whoa! Wow!
It's now when the engine gets hot, like we haven't been driving it very much, it pops on upshifts, it shoots flames, like, I don't know, man, I'm in love.
Oh my god, I am too. Wow.
My favorite thing is with the downpipes, like McLaren in general, incredible cars, super lightweight, kind of the best on the track. The feel is amazing, but the sound's kind of like, I don't know, not insane.
Yeah.
Roof scoop makes the sound different. So at least it's got that going for it. But now with the downpipes, like, they just need to come like this from the factory, to be honest.
It's like that rubber band effect where it's just like,
literally,
just like,
literally, it's very much
feels like
that,
it's just
yeah.
pulling you back, and then you just explode.
And this car, it must limit the boost by gear, because even when I have full traction in second gear, it feels like when I go into third and fourth, it's pulling harder than it was in second.
Oh my god!
And it just keeps going like a freight train.
That is, it's insane. It's insane. So when is it going on a track?
It just went on the track, and you edited the video. It was tuned, it was modified, and it was on the track.
Oh yeah.
And you spent the
You know what? You know what though? You didn't shoot a lot of actual like track video.
I didn't.
So it was like 30 seconds of a GoPro in there, and it was like from this angle. No. When are we shooting an exciting track video?
Soon, ASAP. We just need to find the track, and I need to find a talented cinematographer.
Okay. Well, the track will be easy. The track will be easy to find. The cinematographer.
It's gonna be a challenge. Look at that Rolls Royce. Oh, wow. Did you see the grill on it when it was pulling up?
I couldn't see
Full two-tone, Wraith-looking grill. It's got the Pep Boy Special Maserati side vents.
No, I turned on the camera because I was excited. You said, "Oh, look at this Rolls coming." I was like, "Oh, what is it gonna be? A Cullinan? Or what is it?"
No, it's a 300, baby. Car just came out from McLaren. I had to pull over before the light goes down to talk about this before we hit Sammy's camera. And I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know whether I made a colossal mistake purchasing this car or whether I did make the right decision. I mean, I think I do. I love this more than life itself. But check this out. If you guys haven't heard, McLaren yesterday, by the time I'm filming this, just released a new car called the 620R. And the second I saw it, I was like, I don't know what this is, but I kind of want it, and I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't hear about it before. McLaren is so good, even though I know a lot of people, amazing people at the company, at hiding everything until the last second. So the 620R is essentially a McLaren 570S GT4 race car that they homologated for the road. So it looks very much like a 570S, although it does have the GT4 Aero on the front, a massive spoiler on the rear. So my one saving grace is I like the front end design of the 600LT. I think it looks a little bit more exotic and wild than the 620R does. But get this, so it's got the 3.8 liter twin turbo V8 that's in this car, that's in the 570S, that's been in many, many McLarens, but it makes 610 horsepower, so 10 more than the 600LT. Now, instead of the suspension that's on this, it uses an adjustable coilover setup that they use on the race car, so you can manually adjust the suspension setup as well as the massive rear wing on the fly depending upon the track setup. The one thing that I love about this car, much more than the 620R, is that right there. Now, I've heard rumors that this design was really hard to do, and McLaren doesn't want to deal with it anymore. So I'm hoping that maybe they never do a top exit exhaust again, and that makes this really rare. Because it's based on the 570S, the race car, the exhaust comes out down here, meaning you can have a bigger wing. If I could somehow put that wing on this car, the flames would probably catch it on fire and the whole car would go ablaze, but maybe we can figure something out. So a little bit more horsepower. It's lighter than the 570S. The interesting part is it's not lighter than the 600LT. It starts at 299 grand instead of 240 for the 600LT. And apparently, this is the part where I'm like a little bit stressed about. Roof scoops are an option. Please, if you're buying a 620R, don't get a roof scoop, so my resale is better on this. Actually, not really. But it's a super cool car, a track-focused race car for the road, which is what I thought this was. So I'm like kind of at a loss of what the 620R is. The craziest part is they're only making 350 of them. They won't release production numbers on this. They just said they're making this for a year. They're making the Spider for a year. It's limited in a sense, more limited with the roof scoop, of course, but 350. These things are gonna be worth a lot. McLaren, can I have a loaner or something? I don't know. Let's go to Sammy's camera.
By the way, this is my favorite. It's the tiniest elevator on the planet.
Is it?
Yeah.
Will I fit?
No, not at all. I mean, we're only going to the second floor, but I think just for the sake of the elevator.
What?
Sake of the elevator.
Repairs.
Okay, there we go.
Do they have treatment for claustrophobia up at the top? Or
no, not at all. No. awfully
There's an
close.
emergency.
Yeah. Got a really wide.
Yeah, how wide is that lens? 15, 17?
15,
All
yeah.
right.
There we go. Go for it.
Alright. Have you seen this camera do that before?
Yeah.
I figured.
Last name is...
Nierenstein, N-I-R. So, we came here to find out that there's a lovely repair shop that they suggested right by my house. So, we're gonna go back after probably... Well, I'm gonna try not to buy anything. This is like, I'm like a kid in a candy store. I do really love cameras and electronic equipment. I'm not as knowledgeable, obviously, as Buddy, but learning how to use it is a really fun process. And this store has enough to bankrupt anyone.
But here's something I know you need.
Okay.
Can you please get some extra SD cards?
I'm getting them now.
You
We're
never
getting
you
SD
never
cards.
have
Let's
SD
get 10.
cards.
I don't-
No, overkill,
Okay.
overkill.
One. No,
Okay.
I'll get 2.
Please.
Just got asked if I worked here. Guess I just, look like a little camera guy.
You kind of look like you could work in an electronics store.
Yeah.
And there we go, nighttime. Actually, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, what's the lighting like
It
on
looks
your new
pretty
camera?
good. It's not bad.
Okay.
We'll see how grainy it is afterwards, but yeah.
Yeah, it looks good on the screen,
Yeah,
but not on the
screen.
not on the phone. I may have, upon exit of Sammy's camera, ruined my front bumper. So let's see.
Oh,
I called it from the start. I'm like, I don't know if I can even get out of that, but it's the only exit. I put the lift up.
You could've gone out
I
the
should have
other
just
side.
gone out the other side, buddy. Why did you do that? All right, let's see. I've got really nice. I forget what brand it is, which is kind of lame, but this like scrape armor underneath that are these rubber materials that help.
Oh yeah,
Help alleviate the scratching.
They put that there when you were getting your wrap.
let's see. Actually, they're gonna think I'm a creep.
Well, I mean,
Well,
they would be wrong.
What is this? Your commentary is brutal. Welcome to the vlog with Parker and Buddy, where Buddy just chirps Parker the entire time.
Somebody has to do it.
I know, I agree. I kind of like it.
Oh, please, something be wrong for the vlog. We need content.
And on today's episode of my $100,000 Sammy's camera experience, it scratched the shit out of the scrape armor, but it's fine.
Ugh, man, nothing's broken.
Nothing's
Shit.
broken. That's a good brand deal. I'll put my PayPal below.
I was really hoping something was wrong for the...
No, buddy.
We would've
okay?
got a new
I don't even know
thumbnail.
if this
We
is
would've
your
got a new
vlog or
thumbnail.
my vlog at this point.
I don't either. I don't either. Give me some beans.
Oh my god, what the f?
Whoa!
You captured that?
Yes.
What was that? He was coming right at me.
Oh my god.
I was about to floor it. He's like, give me the beans, and the guy's coming into my lane.
Oh my god. It's so violent. Do you like my Christmas lights?
I love your Christmas lights.
I love them too.
No, it looks really
love 'em
good.
too.
Did you do that yourself?
Of course I did it myself.
Well, I don't know. We live in the land of let's pay
No,
people
not-
$5,000 to install the. I didn't think you would do
I
that.
thought you knew me better.
I do know you. So
I do
no,
everything
apparently not.
myself. I do everything myself. I make my own beef jerky.
What? Whose video is
Stop.
this?
I don't even know.
Am I doing an outro
No,
right now?
this is your video.
my
This
video.
is your
Great.
video.
Well,
And
guys,
by the way, guys, Parker just told me. He said if Buddy gets to 50,000 subscribers, he will give one of you guys $500.
yeah. Okay. How many
He just
subs
said.
are
He
you
just
at?
said that 35,000.
What, they get to 50,000 in this video? It's at the end of the video. No one's watching. If you are still watching, thank you.
This is good. No, this is gonna be the intro now.
No, you fucker. Yeah, let the lights go out at the perfect time. Well, I guess you heard the man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Taking the camera in tomorrow. Hopefully it's gonna get fixed. Got some awesome content coming your way. See you next video.